Wanton disregard for law. That seems to be the situation in downtown Kingston among vendors and other business operators as the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, went about a cleanup operation in the area. But as we hear in this report, illegal garbage disposal was not the only breach that they discovered.
The operation started 6 o'clock Sunday morning on several roads in downtown Kingston. According to Dwayne Anderson of the KSAMC, the operation was necessary because of an increase in unsightly structures erected along these roads, including illegal vending stalls.
These structures poses hazards to various members of the community, children, senior citizens, and disabled persons. Whilst conducting this operation, we would have removed 30 truckloads of debris. We also noticed that there is a nuisance of commercial waste all over the streets, such as Princess Street, Orange Street, Beckford Street.
The KSAMC believes business operators in the area are the main perpetrators, lining the roadways with commercial garbage each evening instead of making arrangements for proper disposal. But that's not all.
We also identified that many of these locations, persons would have illegally attached to the Jamaica public service utility poles to abstract electricity for their business. We also identified that persons would have defaced signs around these areas, street signs.
Street-side vendors were also found in breach as garbage from their sales the night before were still seen hanging on walls, cables, and everywhere possible. By the end of the operation, some 30 truckloads of garbage were removed from the area.
This is an ongoing operation, and the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation will be relentless in removing of these structures and paraphernalias. It is the policy of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. If you do not remove them, we will remove them for you.